Hello, my name is Richard Wingert. I'm a licensed real estate agent in New York City, and today we're going to be speaking with Stephen Ebert, attorney, a partner with the law firm of Casson & Casson, LLP, and a well-respected real estate practitioner in New York. He's also a co-host of the weekly radio talk show, Eye on Real Estate. In the following segments, we're going to see a bunch of questions being answered by Stephen, and I can't thank him enough for giving me his time, and I hope you all enjoy. Feel free to comment and let me know what you think. Hey Stephen, I just wanted to thank you so much for coming and allowing us to talk about the legal process here in New York City about purchasing a home. So how about we just get right into it?
Great pleasure to be here. Lots to talk about.
Yes, absolutely. So first and foremost, the legal process. What is the typical legal process for a home purchase in New York City?
You know, so many first-time home buyers have never had to hire a legal professional before, and they find it a little bit daunting. So one of the first questions that they always ask is, what are we doing on their behalf? And what's important is that you're working with your real estate professional and you're finding the right property. But once you find that, you got to kick the tires and look under the hood, so to speak. And you got to say, well, wait a minute. With that building that looks nice, how are the financials? Are they strong? Is it going to be okay with getting a mortgage? How do we negotiate the contract of, are we closing in 30 days, 60, 90, maybe 180 days? What about the condition? Did I check everything before I signed? Do I have the opportunity to come back and revisit? What kind of building am I buying into? How are my neighbors? Are there litigations? All of a sudden, are they about to redo the lobby? Am I going to get hit with an assessment? Well, these are some of the things that we look at in due diligence to make sure that there are no unpleasant surprises for the buyer. And then we take that further and then we negotiate the relationship between the buyer and seller in the contract. And then we take that background and then we keep on going through multiple steps of building approval, lender approval, clear title, which I think we're going to talk more about, to eventually the date we're all waiting for, the closing, where you sign everything, your arm gets tired, your checking account gets a little drained, but you become the owner of the property.